Hello everyone, it's Nikki here, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can find different Weibo profiles by only using picture and translate Google. So for this I'm gonna use my own Pinterest, and as a good example we're gonna use picture of this girl. So as you can see, it's a picture from Weibo because here's the username from Weibo, and I'm gonna save it. It's the first step. I'm gonna save it, and then I will go to translate Google. Here, click on camera and import. And of course, the language in here needs to be set on Chinese. It will scan, and here down you can see the username of the girl. So you're gonna choose this and you're gonna tap on it. Now you can see that the username is written in Chinese, so you're gonna copy it, and now you're gonna go on Weibo, oh thanks, I'm just browsing. And now you're gonna put the username in here and click on search. And as you can see, here's the girl we were looking for. And that's it. So thank you for watching.